Diet in the Mediterranean style. What is a Mediterranean-style diet, and how does it differ from other diets? In this video we talk about a Mediterranean-style diet in order to stay healthy. A Mediterranean diet is named based on the typical eating habits of people who live around the Mediterranean Sea, including Greece, Italy, and Spain are among them. This diet is centered on eating nutritious natural foods and avoiding foods like processed foods, sugar, trans fat, refined grain and refined oil as much as possible. The Mediterranean diet differs from other diets in several ways. For example, this diet comprises all 5 nutritional categories, and the emphasis is on high-quality, nutrient-dense meals. On the other hand, in addition to the broad variety of foods that ensure your health, following this diet is simple and does not require calorie tracking. Basis of the Mediterranean diet makes up of these below foods. Consuming high fruit. Consuming a wide variety of vegetables, especially green leafy vegetables. Extra virgin olive oil, olives, avocados, and avocado oil. Slices of bread and cereals made with whole grains. Nuts and seeds. The moderate use of cheese and yogurt, nuts and seeds. Legumes or beans like chickpeas, kidney beans, or lentils. Seafood and fish. Eggs. The moderate of consuming chicken and turkey. Herbs and spices, such as basil, garlic, oregano, coriander, mint, rosemary, cumin, and etc. Why a Mediterranean diet is healthy? In the Mediterranean diet, is used olive oil which contains healthy fats and is the primary source of fat, instead of using saturated or unhealthy fats. Nuts and seeds also contain monounsaturated fat. Fatty fish such as sardines and salmon are rich in omega fatty acids. These polyunsaturated fats help fight inflammation in the body. Omega-3 fatty acids also help decrease triglycerides, reduce blood clotting, and lower the risk of stroke and heart failure. Also, consumption of small amounts of red meat, processed meats, and packaged foods has made this diet a healthy diet for the body. These advantages are related to Mediterranean-style eating as a whole, not to specific foods or substances. Following a Mediterranean-style diet can help people with heart disease, type 2 diabetes, some cancers, cognitive decline, including Alzheimer's, fatty liver disease, chronic kidney disease, depression or anxiety, and lose weight. If you like to attempt the Mediterranean diet, could start with these tips. Vegetables, legumes, and nutritious grains are great additions to your any meal. Eat fish at least twice a week. When cooking cuisine, use olive oil instead of butter, and for dessert serve fresh fruit. Don't forget that being physically active and sharing meals with loved ones are all part of the Mediterranean-style diet. And in the last are a few pointers to assist you when you want to eat in a restaurant. As the main course, go for fish or seafood. Add vegetables to your order. Request your waitress to cook your meal using extra virgin olive oil. Instead of butter, use olive oil on whole grain toast. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.